The info we have all been waiting for on the LZ0 is still not out. But what I have uncovered is some fantastic info about that oil pump belt. Now, I found the supplement for the diesel engine for the 2023 Suburban and Tahoes, and I've dug in there and I've learned that the LZ0 engine is coming in the pickup, the LM2 engine is coming in the SUVs. So the VIN code T is for LM2, VIN code 8 is for LZ0. So that's one thing I learned on that supplement. Another thing I learned on the oil or on the diesel supplement is that the cooling system for the LZ0 on the pickup truck has changed. It's dropped 1 quart, which may not mean anything to most people, but what that means is that there's some changes in the cooling system, and we don't know exactly what that is, but that's a pretty neat little thing. But I know what you're waiting for. You're waiting for this oil pump drive belt. And let me tell you, in that supplement on the maintenance interval, it shows that 15 years, 200,000 miles, that's when your oil pump drive belt is due. So for all those naysayers and unhappy people, GM is listening, and they bumped it up to 200,000 for the 2023 model year. How about that? Let's keep digging for more info.